to address the Shark Robot Vacuum Error 2 in 2025. Follow this step-by-step guide. First, understand what the error code indicates. Error 2 typically signifies a navigation or mapping issue, where the robot vacuum fails to properly map its surroundings or gets stuck. Start by checking the robot's navigation system. Ensure the device's sensors are clean and free of debris. Dirt and dust accumulation can interfere with the sensor's ability to detect obstacles, leading to navigation errors. Use a soft cloth to gently wipe the sensors and ensure they are clear. Next, check the robot's mapping function. If the device uses a mapping feature to navigate, try resetting the map. This can usually be done through the accompanying app or by pressing a combination of buttons on the robot itself. Refer to the user manual for specific instructions. Another common cause of error 2 is a blocked or tangled brush roll. Inspect the brush roll and clean any hair or debris that may be obstructing its movement. Remove any blockages and ensure the brush roll can rotate freely. Additionally, check the robot's wheels and tracks for any blockages or damage. Make sure the wheels are free to rotate and the tracks are clear of debris. If the wheels or tracks are damaged, consider replacing them. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try resetting the robot to its factory settings. This will restore the device to its original settings and may resolve any software-related issues. Again, refer to the user manual for instructions on how to perform a factory reset. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Shark Robot Vacuum Error 2 in 2025. Remember to regularly maintain your robot vacuum by cleaning its sensors and brush roll, and checking for any blockages or damage to ensure optimal performance. Regular maintenance can help prevent errors and extend the lifespan of your device.